Hello everybody. Today I'm going to show you guys some little script that you guys can use in Houdini. If you guys are freelance artists or like artists like me doing lots of R&Ds on your local machine, so like this can be very useful. Basically this script is deleting every file extension Bgeo, BGOSC, VDB, and ABC file format. Normally you can do it with any kind of like a Python reader like Visual Studio or whatever you're using, but this one I'm supporting with Houdini UI select file. I mean Houdini UI. So this way you can manipulate these files and delete these files from your Houdini while you're working. For example, I have a H drive on my local machine, so and I do all my Houdini works there. But after I'm done, I want to delete all the Alembic or caches, sometimes even the render files. So when I'm done with the project, so I don't want to keep it on my local machine. So this way I came up with the idea something like this to delete all the files that I don't want to use. Sorry, I don't want to keep actually. In this one, I use my desktop, but of course you can give any drive or desktop, but I prefer you guys, actually I suggest you guys to keep it somewhere safe, like a desktop. So it was my safe folder. I mean, the desktop is safe so that there's no cache over there. This way I cannot delete anything accidentally. You can come here, right click and create a new tool and paste a script here like the tutorials before I show. So but you should be careful about selecting the folder because in here I'm using subdirectory also, like if I go all the folders over here, so every folder has other caches too, and once you select the folder it will delete everything inside the subfolders too. This my delete Bgeo, this one, so I just couldn't know what to name it, so like I named it like that. When you click that, so it will come up with a folder. You can see like all the folders and everything over here, but before, let me minimize this a little bit so this way we can see right after I click. Alright, let's go delete Bgeo and select the test folder. This is here. And when you say accept, boom, they all gone, like everything inside the folders. I didn't add for the folder delete too because like somehow I didn't want to risk it like that. So I don't know, maybe I mean because the folders are like 0 kilobytes, so they're not taking any space, so they can stay there. Also this is for Mac version, but I'm gonna do the same thing for the Windows version too, because like some of the commands are different. You can see like they're like OS remove and blah 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 blah, and also it's printing every deleted file on console, and if there's a problem with the file, so it says that like error deleting file and gives you the file name, so maybe you're still using or something, so it will show you that you cannot delete this file. And when everything is deleted on the console, it will say I deleted everything for you, master, and everything will be clear on that folder. So, and you will get rid of all the caches. So thank you guys.